Hello world and army. Today we're gonna head out to Otsu Seiromushi, Jin's brother's restaurant at Yeouido Branch, which is the second location in Seoul. But first, we would like to check out Yeouido Hangang Park, that is about 10 minutes away from the restaurant.
But if you look on the floor, there's enough letters right here.
It's sad they removed it.
To be honest, we wanted to see the Seoul U sign that was supposed to be here. However, it's been removed because it wasn't appealing enough, so they're replacing it with a new slogan.
So, gone.
It's gone.
Gone.
Supposedly people did not like that slogan.
And the people got their wish.
They said, that doesn't make sense. Well, are y'all Americans from this place looks like it's cracking.
Why are people there?
It's a great local park with a panoramic view of the Han River. They're also known for street food and vendors. People come here to exercise, go on dates, or just simply relax and people watch.
Everyone's here to chill. No drone zone. What is, even to your right. Man, it's out here with the tents.
We then grab Yeouido, which is the Uber here in South Korea. If you have Uber installed, the app will automatically switch to Yeouido once you land here, and you just use it the same way as Uber. Super easy.
You want to look for this U Plus Securities, and then it should be in this building here. And we are ready to roll. Excited. So we're gonna head in. What you can also do is Google the Samsung electronic place, and it'll take you to the same spot. Because I know it's gonna be hard to find this location.
Just enter through the revolving door, and someone inside should be able to direct you to the elevator.
Yes, sir. Right. P1.
B1.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Elevator.
Says B1.
B1.
Close the door so no one else comes.
지하 1층입니다. 올라갑니다.
So we've contacted a friend who lives in Seoul to help us book this place a month ahead. If you have a Korean number, you can call them, or you can also book through Catch Table.
예약하셨어요?
I have a reservation. Sorry, I don't speak.
No reservation?
Yes, I do.
How many to?
6:30. Under Rose.
Thank you.
I also asked permission if I could film, and they said it's fine as long as I don't get the staff's faces. I respected that. The restaurant felt elegant and warm, outlined with private rooms and table spaces, ensuring a premium dining atmosphere. So they took us to this room. It's actually bigger than I expected. Look how big this room is. Lots of room. I am starving, so we just arrived just earlier today, maybe a few hours ago, and we did not eat anything. Hungry.
I just put in the aji tamago and
Right there. Okay, so I'm gonna order.
Okay. 191.
that's a large room.
Burger.
Does it taste truffly?
This went really well together as one whole bite.
This is the dish together.
Wrap it together. Yes.
He said to wrap this. A
little gold flakes on top of the uni here. And some salmon roe. Get a nice generous amount here on my first bite. And just a teeny tiny wasabi to bring out the most flavor on this. Nice long big bite. No words, so good. The uni is very fresh. The wasabi is not overpowering. I feel like fresh wasabi is like very tasty when it's fresh. So it doesn't overpower the taste of the uni. Day 1 in Seoul. This is not the, I guess, their version, but it looks like it has a lot of like pieces of sashimi in it. And she said to wrap it. And of course, another generous amount. Here we go. Another bite of deliciousness.
소스, 참깨 소스, 유자 폰치, 청양고추, 딸기.
오케이. Spicy. Lighter than I thought.
Yeah, I was like the soy sauce better.
I'm enjoying it. Really good.
What is this? That looks like lotus root, cucumbers, garlic, and what is this stuff? This.
Is it? And we have our last dish, mango.
Mango.
Overall, we enjoyed many of the dishes we've ordered and we appreciate the complimentary ones from the chef. Alright guys, let's do some exploring because our girl gotta pee.
So, we just left Jin's brothers. Good night. What color? Is it him?
White candy.
What other car are they gonna pick us up in Korea, dude? It's gonna be a
Let me
Hyundai.
guess, and it's gonna be a white one.
I know, this is the third white Hyundai, dude. Fucking nuts. Listen. Tesla.
잠시 후